Hi friends, today I am going to show you one amazing sweet, that is Warqi Puri. For this recipe, we need one full cup of wheat flour and half cup of maida. You can use only maida also, and add 1 pinch of salt and 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee. Take melted ghee, it will be easy. Then mix well for entire flour. Then add lukewarm water. If you are using by lukewarm water, it will be easily mix to soft the dough. For roti or chapati, for anything you can use lukewarm water and make semi soft dough. Keep aside. Then take a kadai. Then add 3/4 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of water. Then stir continuously. Once it's boiled, leave to one string consistency. Then add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. You can use rose essence or any cardamom essence, or if you like pineapple essence, anything you can use, or without cardamom powder also is enough. Then leave stove off, cool down the syrup. Then make the dough into 15 balls. Take small balls only. Now roll the thin layer chapati. Sprinkle the maida flour, then roll it. This much thinness is enough. Then make all the balls into roti and take one roti here. Then apply ghee. I am using 5 rotis for each set of Verki. Then sprinkle some flour. Again put second roti, apply ghee, then sprinkle maida, and third roti, place it. Again ghee and sprinkle maida, and place the fourth roti, and same as well as fifth roti. Apply ghee on top of the fifth roti and sprinkle maida. Then cut with knife or any pizza cutter if available. Then roll it. At the end, press with fingers. Then put like this. If not sticked, you can use water to stick. Touch with water, then stick it. It will be stick. Now press it. We can see the layers here. Make all the layers. Then now sprinkle some maida and gently roll it. Do not roll it big size. Only this size is enough to our Warqi. Remove the flour if any fine, and roll one more. Heat the oil. Layers we can observe here. Heat the oil and put the flame into low, then fry the layered puri. Wait for a few minutes, it will come up. Using by cast iron tawa, it will be used easy. Wait for until crispy, then remove from oil. Already our sugar syrup is chilled. Put directly into the sugar syrup. Dip it to two sides and take from syrup. One more I will show you. Flame should be in low only. It will come up, then turn it. Now sugar melts, then layer formed. When it turns crispy, then take some oil. Bubbles will stop here. At that point, we can take it from oil, then immediately put it in sugar syrup, then take from syrup, and sprinkle some poppy seeds if you have, otherwise no need, and chopped dry nuts, grated coconut, whatever you have you can use to decoration. Without decoration also we can serve this sweet. Very very crunchy and yummy, tasty and juicy Warqi Puri ready. If you have guests, you can do it. Thanks for watching.